So yesterday we managed to take out the DC2R, and the vibrations very minimal. I think we pretty much figured out where all that vibrations were coming from, so that's all sorted. The O2 light, possibly the O2 light, the check engine light that would come on when I'm driving, but as soon as I turn off the motor and turn it back on, it kind of resets itself. So I'm not too sure what is causing that issue. So I'm just going to leave that for now, just because my head hurts with that one. Other than that, I think everything's going good. Just need to wire up the horn once I get that plug, and then Bob's your uncle. Tune's around the corner, so only a couple more days, and then I'll make the drive up to CMS to hopefully punch out some numbers and hopefully have a successful day on the dyno, and we'll see how we go. I don't want to move some cars. Fuck it. What move cars for? I just work on it out there. Just in case, right? Yeah. Screw that. Yeah, I was gonna be like, hey, let's move all my cars around and make it super inconvenient rather than just bringing out the jack. That's not good. Look at that. Tipped over. I need to find a new place for those things. And today's quest is to not punch myself in the eye again. So we're going to try to install these defowlers onto. We're going to try to install these defowlers onto the EG and see if that does anything with this check engine light, because everything that I've done hasn't worked, and the only thing left to do, the major thing, is to get rid of the project. I'm kidding. Get an ECU. But we'll see. There are some talks or ideas being thrown around of gutting this car before I even get it finished. But we'll see what happens. And this car is way too low for me to go through with the creeper, so I'm gonna have to jack it up. So I just jacked something up, and I think I missed it. I jacked that up from my radiator. No problems that I can see yet, but I've definitely shifted something, so we'll keep an eye out for that. Alright, so with this car we don't have to go that far in. But we watch my face, just in case I decide to punch myself in the face again. So for you guys to all see, straight bolt on, just jumps in, fits right there, nice and snug. That's it. That's all there is to it. So I'm new to it as well, so seems impressive. Seems too impressive actually. But let's hopefully this fixes our issue that we're having. Or maybe so that's the reason why. Don't laugh at my electrical things, but I'm noticing 2 cables that have slipped out. So I'm going to get a flathead and address that right now. So this is where it was, and hopefully we can see what the issue is. So big question would be is, why am I using a domestic electrical thing to do my wiring? It's because I didn't know if this would work. So there's no point of going to the intricacy of doing the full wiring job. It's temporary. The whole idea was for it to be temporary. But I say that. But if it worked, then I would have just left it. So I'm lying to myself. So see if I can just tighten it a bit. Let's see if that fixes the problem. The only thing is I only have one battery, so I will always have to shift between one car to another car. But eventually I'll get more batteries once these cars are on the road officially. Then I don't have to be juggling the same batteries over and over again. But for now, this is what it is. I think the last time I worked on this car was when we thought we fixed the problem, but we didn't. So hopefully all the cabling is all the same and we don't have to address any of that today. So battery's on. I think I damaged something over here. Like I said, my mount doesn't sit secure anymore, so I think I damaged this bracket, so I have to bend it back down or find out what I do, because it was never this rattly, so I'm pretty sure that's what I damaged. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, so making sure you guys can see what I'm saying. So check engine light's still on, obviously. Ah, god damn it. Personally, I don't think it's gonna work, because the fact that I just plugged in the car and the check engine light, it was already on. It's a pretty big indicator, so let's see. Immobilizer. Bloody hell, this fucking... If this doesn't work, then that's it, I'm done for today. Fuck, I'm over it. I'm done. So the car starts up straight away, but the problem is still there. Like, the check engine light was already on. So, like, he didn't even have time to like process it. As soon as he went in, it's like, ah, shit, something's wrong. So, I don't know what else I can do. I think I'm gonna keep on trying. But I don't think there's much point. So I was trying to sort out this O2 code. What's up with me and these O2 codes and my Hondas? So I'm working on the EG and I'm trying to clear this code, and look what happened. I've got more codes down. Unbelievable. I'm just trying to figure out what these codes refer to. So I just need all these codes, record them, and then sit through and count what they are, because I've got the list here. I'll post it up for you guys to let you know what codes I have, but at this rate I think I'm gonna have to... I found someone that seemed to know exactly what my problem was, and he was batting off solutions and telling me over the phone what I should be doing, what I should be looking for, and it seems like he's the cat to go to. So if he can fix it, then I think I found Western Suburbs Dr. Honda. So fingers crossed. Also, on top of that, I'll be sending this car off Thursday. We're gonna go to see the Western Suburbs Dr. Honda to see if he can sort this O2 issue out, because I've only got... It's next week. It's literally next week, next Wednesday. So I haven't got much long to go.